Hey, let me quickly explain how you can charge your Realme Buds Air 5 Pro. So first of all, to charge your earbuds, you have to put them inside this charging case. That's quite obvious, right? But if they are not charging, you have to probably recharge your charging case. And you can do this by inserting here any USB-C cable. So in my case, I'm using cable from my old Huawei smartphone. As you can see, it looks really terrible, but it actually works. And once you actually plug this cable inside, you can find that your indicator actually starts blinking, which means that your earbuds and the charging case is actually charging. And there's actually first method. So you can only use the USB-C cable and plug this cable, for example, to your PC, to your laptop, game console, to power bank, or for example, your TV even. And the second method is to use also this cable, but plug this cable into the charging brick. Also, I'm using charging brick from my old Huawei smartphone and it works fine, which means that you don't have to buy original Realme charger, charging cable, or for example, charging brick. You can use brick or cable that you are using in your phone, in your tablet, or any other device. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.